Let's learn about animals, their babies, and what we call a male animal, female animal, and the group of those animals. There are some common examples. Alligator. Male alligator is bull, female is cow, babies are hetchlings, and the group of alligator is congregation. Bear. The male is boar, female is sow, babies are cubs, and group of bear is sleuth. Bees. Male bees are drone, female is queen, babies are larva, and the group is hive or bike. Camel. The male camel is bull, the female camel is cow, the babies calf, and the group of camels is flock. Deer. The male deer is buck, the female deer is doe, the babies are fawn, and the group of deer is herd. Monkey. The male monkey, female monkey, and the babies of monkey we call infant, and the group of monkeys is troop. Pig. Male pig is boar, female pig is sow, babies are piglets, and the group of pigs is drove. Sheep. Male sheep is buck, female sheep is ape, baby sheep is lamb, the group of sheep is drift or drove. Tiger. Male is tiger, female is tigress, babies are cubs, and ambush. Group of tiger is ambush. Dog. The male is dog, female is bitch, and the babies are pups, and the group of dog is litter. Chicken. Male chicken is rooster, female is hen, babies are chicks, and the group of chicken is flock. Duck. The male is duck, the female is duck, babies are ducklings, and group of duck is flock or raft. Horse. Male is stallion, female is mare, babies are calf, for the male horse is calf, for female horse is filly, and the group of horse is herd. Ox. The male is bull, female is cow, the babies are calf, and the group is herd.